let's talk about our next subject here, and that is fake IDs, fake accounts, all of that stuff. What's going on? It's funny because Sergio, you sent me the screenshots on Sunday, and then we got an email from driver basically saying the same exact thing.
Identical thing.
This one is a driver who's actually driving versus somebody who is not, and now can't get onto the platform. So there's a lot of issues here when it comes to people using identity theft to sign up for Uber and Lyft and then sell these accounts on the black market and all that stuff. So very interesting.
Yeah, I mean, this is happening. We talked about this with the immigrant or migrants coming into the country, and shady pieces of shit, having their first experience be a horrible one. But this is above and beyond that. This is so this person, South Florida woman, she works at the post office, and then she said, at my spare time, let me go do some Uber. I mean, I'm just not going to read the whole thing and just give you guys a snapshot of it. And then she goes, like we all did, upload the shit and download the app. And she got declined. I mean, she works for the post office. She's probably pretty good record, right? Clean record and all that good stuff. And then she gets in touch with Uber, and Uber goes, by the way, your account is in use by like 4 or 5 other people already. The woman goes, huh? And this is the problem. A lot of these accounts through ID theft are being created and being sold in the black market. Now, how safe is that? None of these people are going through a background check, because what these fraudulent people did was, before they created it, they ran a background check with her identity, and obviously she passed. And then they went and sold these accounts. And I'm going like, this is as unsafe as it could be. This is bullshit. And Uber and Lyft can easily stop this, right? Because this lady wasn't shocked that her identity was stolen, and there were drivers driving with her name already out there. And I'm going like, yeah. So this is where the AI is going to come into play, as opposed to that chatbot Uber. Remember that? Whatever that was, the fiasco that your support told this driver. So yeah, this is happening quite often, Chris. This is a big problem. It's bigger problem in deliveries, much bigger problem in deliveries. Okay, because the scrutiny is not that much, and DoorDash doesn't ask for too many photo verifications. I ordered DoorDash. I swear, I'd be like looking at my driver. It'll say like, Joe is going to drop the door or order off. I go open the door, and it's not Joe. It's like Nancy. I go, how's that? That's not safe. Obviously, you're not Joe. But what am I going to do? I'm not going to be an asshole to the driver. I'm a driver. So I go, okay, whatever. But yeah, all these accounts are being sold in the black market and everywhere else. And I think this is bad. I mean, that's all I got to say. And watch.
I mean, if they can literally say, oh, you've got like 2 or 3 accounts already, how can you say you've got 2 or 3 accounts? Like, shouldn't that be red flags going off inside Uber and Lyft right now, or DoorDash, any of these places that say this person's is signed up on multiple accounts? And then you should probably look and do a little investigation to see what's going on here, and then kick off those that aren't really there, or try to follow up and figure out exactly what's going on. I mean,
yep, great comment there. Yeah, lots of fraudulent drivers on the platforms, especially in South Florida. I know that for a fact. And a legit problem needs to be solved. But these are the drivers willing to work for sub-minimum wage. And because it's not their account, and their account is held by some other person, and they're just driving, and this person is probably giving them $100 a day, which is a lot more than what they made where they came from. So yeah, there's a big problem. And especially on food delivery, these companies can stop this immediately. I mean, have everybody verify their ID, take a photo ID, every 2 hours, every 3 hours. I'm willing to do it because it's going to clean up. The other thing is going to clean up, Chris, is oversaturation. There's way too many drivers out there. I mean, we showed at the start of the show, there were like 700 drivers at LAX, bro. It's like, why?
Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. Actually, I mean, I doubt it's that much right now, but I never go to the airport in Buffalo unless it's like a Monday or Tuesday night at 11, because that's when there's no drivers sitting in the airport, and there's always surge at that point. And they just start pulling drivers from all over the place. So, I doubt that there's anything going on though, really, because it's not that it's, not really that busy right now.
Yeah.
Let's see.
No, I mean, I think
Oh yeah,
this
look
is
at
a
that.
problem. This is a problem these
One to,
companies can
one to
stop.
five cars in the wait.
How many? How
One
many?
to five cars
Well, no
in
planes
the
coming
queue right now.
in.
I mean, we're not we're a minor 36 gate airport, so there's not a lot of flights coming in and out. There's 4 flights coming in between 7 and 8 right now. So
That's right, Nickhammer.
no
No,
surf, no
sir,
ride.
no ride. You betcha. Well, unfortunately, though, gray clouds of doom are everywhere now, so I'm not sure about that one. But we're going to try to do that next week.
Well,
But anyway,
one
yeah,
other benefit, one other good thing that actually could be helped when it comes to the false accounts and you trying to sign up, or you are signed up and then all of a sudden there's multiple accounts on your account. One good thing is to have a dash camera, because then it can prove that you are giving rides and that you are the person that you are meant. So no matter what, you should be getting a dash camera. Obviously, Black Friday, Cyber Monday was just this past week. There might be some Cyber Monday deals wrapping up on different Amazon purchases when it comes to dash cameras. You need one. There's no ands, ifs, or buts at this point. You need one. One of the recommended cameras that we use and like is the Display Ride dash camera. They actually just came out also with the Display Ride body camera. So if you do food delivery, it's really good for that. You get a vest and a body camera. And if you put in RSG20 for the dash camera, you can get down to $20 a month instead of 25, so you can save 20%. If you do code RSG for the body camera, you can save 33%, bringing that also down to $20 a month instead of $30 a month. And it's nice because it goes up to the cloud. All of the data is stored there as well. And, you can seamlessly integrate it over to Uber, because now they are going to be taking dash cam footage. So you can really get even more benefit when you have either one of these. So definitely recommended. No matter what, please get a dash camera, whether it's Display Ride or something else. But we definitely
you gotta have
recommend
it. You gotta have it. Got to have it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.